Hi, as you see here, I have two multimeters here. One clamp-on multimeter and one traditional one. In this video, I'll also show you how you measure current with both of these ones. This one, the traditional one, is a bit more dangerous to use than this one. The reason why this one is a bit more dangerous is because you will have to, as you see here, separate and cut a wire and connect it in series with the appliance. Well, as you also see, I'll just cheat a bit and we will start to see how we will connect up this one. So as you saw, I connected in series, and now we will do the most important job. And also, before I continue, always make sure to disconnect the power. We'll connect the first black one to common, and since I don't know quite how much amperes we will measure, we will put it in 10 amps. Then we will change this knob to amps, and since that's AC, we will go to AC current. Now one of the test leads just fell out, and just reconnected it. There. Now please take a look at the multimeter and see what kind of readings you will get. Here, about 0.1 amps. Well, that was quite easy, but we have an option which is much more easier. Disconnect the power first, turn off the multimeter, then disconnect the test leads from the appliance leads there, and change from 10 amps to volts, ohm and milliamps on the multimeter, and take it away. Now, when we're going to use the clamp-on multimeter, we'll need to make connection between these ones, because we don't need wires which are open there. And to measure the current, we will put the wires in the fork like this and turn it to amps. Some multimeters are maybe sensitive about if you're measuring AC or DC, but this one have a auto measure. So if you put in DC, it will find out. But this is AC, so if your multimeter needs to be set to DC, please do so. Then we see 1.3 amps. Now, take out the power source, take away the multimeter, remember, turn it off, and fix the wire, or in this case, the whole cable. Well, that's it. Have a nice day.